Hey guys, Dave Johnson with City Motors here. Oh my gosh. Are you looking for that under $30,000 pickup truck that has everything you can imagine and everything you've ever dreamed of? Good news for you. The search is over. I got the truck. Stick around, let me tell you about this thing. This is a local trade-in, and this is the F-150 Lariat. This is the top of the line Lariat. Absolutely awesome. All the good stuff. You can see it's got a little bit of level kit there. Looks good, looks awesome. It's sitting on some nice fat BFGs. And of course the Lariat, it's just got everything. If you look at those headlights, absolutely love those. Those are HID headlights. I love the blackout on the logo and all the badging. The wheels are absolutely awesome. You do have your power folding mirrors there. They are power folding. They will flip in and flip out with the touch of a button. I love the tinted windows and the windscreen there, and of course the wind shades on the windows. You do have your sunroof there, of course bed liner, and of course four-wheel drive. Don't be silly. This one does have your backup sonar here, which is going to guide you in as you're backing up. Of course, your tow package. You're going to get your backup camera with this as well. That is a power sliding rear window. And in addition, you also get your rear defroster there, which is nice to have this power slide and the rear defrost. Coming back here, pow! Look at that leather interior. Love it. Absolutely love it. Those seats will fold up, and if you do fold them up, you can see that you have a subwoofer underneath there, and I have a full pictorial of the seats flipped up at citymotors.net. Go there now, check that out. You do have your 110 volt 150 watt power outlet right there, so you can power about anything you can imagine, and of course your 12 volt plug there as well. Love the space here. Absolutely very spacious. I mean, you can so comfortably fit 3 passengers very comfortably. You do have your combination entry there, which is nice. Again, that is power folding mirrors there. They will flip in and flip out at the touch of a button. Very nice feature to have. You have your wood grain interior there, of course all power options, Sony sound. The stereo in this thing is absolutely amazing. You do have power seats with lumbar support on both sides of the truck. You do have your memory seating for 2 drivers. They are heated and cooled seats. Heated and cooled. Your butt cold, warm them up. Your butt hot, cool them down. Vented seats, awesome feature. If you've never used those, they are absolutely incredible. Adjustable foot pedals there. You can slide your pedals in and out with the touch of a button. It's going to accommodate any driver of any size. Absolutely awesome. Duplicate audio controls there. Cruise control. Bluetooth streaming to your Sony sync system there, which is very important because in the state of Virginia, it is illegal, like in many states, to have a handheld device in your phone. So put your phone down or you're going to jail. No, I'm just kidding. You will get a ticket though. Don't mess with that stuff. Navigation, satellite, CD, you name it. If you want to listen to it, you're going to be able to listen to it on here. Dual climate control. Again, heated and cooled seats. Sync system. Automatic transmission with your manual mode, which is going to allow you to shift up and down as you choose. If you've never used that or know how to use it, go to my tutorial on YouTube and check out Tiptronic transmissions. Trailer brake control. That's going to control the amount of pressure going to your brake. You can store up to, I think, 2 trailers in this. So if you haul multiple trailers, you can actually program it in so you don't have to mess with it. You program it once and do it. This one does have your pedal commander there. Awesome, awesome upgrade. That is going to make your pedal response either sporty, super sport, or economical to help you save some fuel economy, and that does make a big difference. Absolutely love it. Sunroof, of course, and again, this Lariat package is just awesome. This truck is just flat badass. I mean, it is a local trade, very clean, very well maintained, very nice truck. You know how hard it is to find trucks in this condition. You know you want a truck that looks this good because, well, it looks this good. It's that badass. Do not miss this thing, guys. At City Motors, we're going to give you a 6-month, 7,500-mile warranty. That is coast to coast with roadside assistance. So if you're out of the area, have no fear. You can purchase here. You're covered where you're at. No fees here at City Motors. Don't play the fee game because there are so many dealers doing stupid stuff with their fees. The market is unusual, to say the least. People are hiding fees everywhere, trying to get extra money for their vehicles. Do not play those stupid games. If they're going to lie to you about their fees, what else are they lying about? You got warranty, you got no fees, you got an awesome dealer that wants your business. Do not miss this thing, guys. And if you're a dealer watching this video, back off. You can't have it. This is for my customers, not yours. No holds either, guys. You got to get here quick. Don't miss it, though. You know you're not going to find a better one. You better get here. Hope to see you soon. Thanks for stopping by.